Let's take a look at the Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist feature, part of the Advanced Driver Assistance System. Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist is a function that detects a vehicle, a pedestrian, or a cyclist in front of your vehicle and warns you and helps avoid collision with objects while driving. Go to Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and Forward Safety to set up the Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist feature. While driving through an intersection, if there is a risk of collision with oncoming vehicles from the left or right, this function automatically assists with emergency braking. You can activate this function by going to Forward Safety and selecting Active Assist and Forward Cross Traffic Safety. When the function is activated, a warning message will appear on the dashboard and an alarm will sound. The steering wheel will vibrate to warn the driver risk of a forward collision. When changing lanes while driving, if there is a risk of collision with an oncoming vehicle, the function automatically assists with avoidance steering. In addition, if there is a risk of collision with a vehicle, a pedestrian, or a cyclist partially in the vehicle's intended path and a collision warning occurs, this function helps the driver with evasive steering. If there is a risk of collision with a pedestrian or a cyclist partially in the vehicle's intended path and a collision warning occurs, and if there is enough space in the driving lane, this function automatically assists with avoidance steering.
Kia, movement that inspires.